This week on Friday Bible Study, we're going to focus on Matthew chapter 10, going through verses 19 through 22, where it talks about, when they arrest you, do not worry about what to say or how to say it. At that time you'll be given what to say. For it will not be you speaking, but the Spirit of the Father speaking through you. Brother will betray brother to death, and a father his child. Children will rebel against their parents and have them put to death. You will be hated by everyone because of me, but the one who stands firm to the end will be saved. This week for Thanksgiving, what we need to understand is we should be thankful for Christ and what He has done for us. And with that, we're going to be persecuted for what we believe in. But the thing is, this world is going to do everything to reject Christ because it pleases the flesh. But as Christians, we need to be thankful not only for what we believe, but to be trusting in it.